Today, let's unbox DJI Osmo Mobile Sim P. So it comes with AI tracker. Let's go. Here is the product. Let's unbox it. So you get one clamp with this later. And the DJI Osmo 7P. So DJI 7P comes with its own stand, and you need to open it like this. So you get indicator with Bluetooth and different mode with a stick, a joystick, and with a zoom out module. So this is a one press record, and this is the different mode. Double press, it can be active in different ways. So it comes with a clamp. Here is the clamp it comes with. With the AI tracker. So it goes here. Perfect. So this, I'm going to use it with GoPro, and plus it goes with your GoPro and turn into landscape. Here we go. So let's try with a phone. It sticks perfectly. Unlock the phone. Perfect. The camera. It has a cool features where you have double click. You have a vertical and plus landscape. So this is, I need to do the settings. So this is a zoom in, zoom out, and this has left, right, joystick with up and down. Like the camera movements. So it's not gonna take 360 mode. Superb. Liked it, and it's really handy. And plus it has an extension. You can extend the clamp, so you can change into different modes in this. It's easier to track, have a track in this. So let's connect into Emo app of them and try more. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna travel now with my buddy, new buddy. So liked it. So do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.